These cyclists raised traffic and pollution on their way to Lahore on the Grand Trunk Road. Starting at around 9 am from Gujarat, they reached Shadra at around 11:45 am, thus covering the distance of about 115 kilometers in about 3 hours on their cycles. Haroon Rashid of Wabda won the race from Gujarat to Lahore, while Afghanistan bagged the other two positions. Imtiaz Hassan stood second and Hashmatullah third.
वापडा के लिए स्टेट फर्स्ट किया है, इंशाल्लाह आगे भी हम पूरी रेस को लीड करेंगे और अल्लाह के फजल करम से वापडा ये इवेंट फर्स्ट करेगी.
Tour de Pakistan will cover a distance of 1685 kilometers from Peshawar to Karachi and has prize money worth 10,000 American dollars. The race will finish on March 13 at Mazar-e-Qaid. Unfortunately, due to security concerns, Afghanistan is the only foreign team participating in the event. Local teams featuring in the Tour de Pakistan include FATA, Pakistan Army, Wabda, Railways and Sui Southern Gas. But the participants are happy with the security arrangements.
इंतज़ामात बड़े अच्छे थे. पेशावर में ख़ास तौर पे बड़े अच्छे इंतज़ामात थे. पेशावर पुलिस ने सिक्योरिटी का बड़ा अच्छा बंदोबस्त किया हुआ था. आगे भी इंतज़ामात अच्छे रहे हैं.
The cyclists' next stop is Sahiwal when the race begins again from Lahore on the 5th of March. Tour de Pakistan is the biggest cycling event of Asia and people hope that events like this one may be able to function as damage control given the security situation. Umair Ali, Dawn News, Lahore.